We are gathered here today in the sight of God, in the presence of family and friends to celebrate one of life's greatest moments.
It's been a long friendship, and you are the best friend I've ever had, and I'm so thankful that I flew 13 hours to get here. And Monday morning, I leave at 5 in the morning, and it's still worth it. And I love you, Eric. Welcome to the herd, and good luck walking back.
Marriage is a contract not to be entered into lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, and with a deep realization of the obligations and responsibilities. Marriage takes hard work, compromise, and a willingness to forgive.
He has struck gold with Steph, and she's a saint. She's the most patient person, the most understanding person, and I think she sees Eric's like passion and stuff, and he gets over he barks. So I mean, some people have heard him bark. You know, he barks. It runs in the family. I bark too. I'm trying to work on that, but it's okay. Steph accepts it for who he is, and she's a saint because of that. And Eric, you're a lucky guy.
I've seen you and Eric together, and you guys are awesome. You guys feed off of each other, and I can see how happy each of you are. So I'm really happy for today to be here with you guys, and can't wait to see what you guys have in the future. So congrats.
The joining of two hearts as husband and wife is a commitment like no other. It offers opportunities for sharing and for personal growth that no other human relationship can equal. Marriage also encourages new life and new experiences and finds new ways of expressing love through the ups and downs in life.
Stephanie, I promise to you, as my wife, to lightly not drop you while picking you up again. When I met you 5 years ago, I said I do to get to know me at the racetrack. It wasn't easily conversed to let you go. You since have given me the most love and compassion I've ever received in my lifetime. You've been by my side through everything, including hard times, and I can't thank you enough. I promise to you, as you have done for me, to be by your side and to love you unconditionally. You have been my deepest and most truthful love I have ever experienced in my life. I promise to you that I'll do the most you've done for me as long as our hearts are true.
I promise
to give you and our family
the best of myself
the best of myself
and continue to love you unconditionally
and continue to love you unconditionally
as I have for the last 5 years.
as I have for the last 5 years.
I promise to trust and respect
I promise to trust and respect
you as your own person
you as your own person
and to realize that your interests,
and to realize that your interests,
desires, and needs
desires, and needs
are no less important
are
than
no
my own.
less important than my own.
I will encourage your dreams
I will encourage your dreams
and help shoulder our challenges.
and help shoulder our challenges.
I promise to share with you my time
I promise to share with you my time
and attention
and attention
and to bring joy, strength, and imagination
and to bring joy, strength, and imagination
to our relationship.
to our relationship.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
and to infinity
and beyond.